First time I've seen a pregnant mannequin. Yeah. This is a great market.
Atención, mucha atención. Se necesita una señora o señorita que pueda hacer pan y varias señoritas.
They're really nice people here. Everyone, like you said, everyone gives you eye contact. Everyone makes sure that you're squeezing through, and then they really genuinely smile at you. Look at this. You're selling fishes. Wow. This is the market. Wow.
Mañana de juega billete.
Did you hear what she called you? Yeah.
I don't think it's anything negative.
No. It's like when we say it in Portuguese, but we have a different word, you know. No. It's nothing negative, but I like how she's so comfortable in saying that word. Look at that. Freshly picked. Oh, these are cool. Those are pants.
You know what I'm looking for?
No.
A cloth. Because I have very hot.
Aquí, come ahí. Hold on. Assim, tu tem uma dessa, mas menor ainda.
Más pequeña.
Sim, como pra... sim, quanto?
Esta.
Sim, essa tá melhor. Sim.
¿Está bien?
Sim.
$1.
Tá bom, é pra ele. Ele tá suando.
¿Una o dos?
Só uma.
¿Ya la he hecho en una bolsa?
Não, ele vai usar agora. Kingsley talking to aunties.
Use it before you give it to me. That's not a nice thing to do.
But I'm not sweaty.
So why use it then?
There you go.
Muito melhor. Gracias.
Ponga 35.
No, es maçã.
Lleva manzana, lleva piña.
¿Y ese amarelo?
Ese solamente es de leche, pero solamente en colores.
Oh, entendo. Estos colores. Gracias.
¿Había chata también?
Não quero chata não. Tá bom. No, tá bom. It's apple inside. I don't like apple.
Ela não gosta de maçã.
Sim, por isso. Gracias.
Okay, gracias.
Sim.
Maquillaje y joyería en acero. Visítenos en Quinta Calle Poniente número 303, barrio La Merced, una cuadra abajo.
$1, babe. $1. Yeah, for your handkerchief. Yeah. And then she wanted $1.50 for that bottle, for that drink.
How much did you pay for the one?
One. And this is a bazaar.
The business has been slow for her.
No, she just took it. She wanted to try and take advantage. That was all. So look, this is bazaar. $1 for everything.
You can change your wardrobe.
Look at this. There's some nice one looking there too. It's one mixed up. One item is one. That's really good. This is
Jesus,
on
it's
a
hot.
militar.
It's like stuffy hot.
Yes, it's stuffy hot. I agree. It's stuffy hot. That's why I thought some place along the coast would do us very good right now.
One of the things people don't understand about backpacking, or I didn't understand before, is just everything is precious. Even the clothing I'm wearing, I want to wear them at least twice, but when it's this hot, you just feel like, oh my goodness, I'm going to run out of clothes, because we don't get to wash for the next 2 days our clothes.
Yeah, we wash once a week.
Yeah, so the hot rate is the more you have to go to the laundry.
And the place we're staying at, they also have lots of Christmas decoration right now.
Yeah, we're in November. It's next month.
I agree. It's a bad omen if you start decorating too early, because you get tired of the Christmas before Christmas even comes.
I don't think so.
That's my theory.
I think the earlier the better.
You don't get present earlier. Almost slipped my foot there. And they got some zebra crossing. That's good.
So today's a bank holiday. Everything is practically closed.
Yes. You like the look of that? Unfortunately, you can't come in.
Yeah, looking at that, it's not too bad.
When we're hungry, it's never too bad. When we're hungry, everything works.
Okay, so one step I accept.
Okay.
But when it's 2 steps to climb up,
Oh yeah,
you're not getting my money.
you're pushing it.
Yes. So 1 step is okay.
So that, in terms of accessibility, is a 7 out of 10.
Yes.
When the food is good, it's a 9 out of 10, huh?
Something like that.
Go on.
So the amount of smiles I get from the ladies here, I'm surprised you're not fighting them off.
Ah, look at my man.
The aunties.
They're aunties. And you guys saw it. I captured him flirting with the auntie.
Which one?
The 2 ladies talking while I was out there buying you your handkerchief.
That's not true. So this is one of the buses.
I really want Kingsley on this bus. And we're gonna...
Maybe we should take the wheels out.
Yes,
I might have to buy 1 extra seat
yes.
for the wheelchair.
Seeing. Yeah, come. We need to go down that and then that. That's what I'm thinking. If they say, oh no, there's not possible, I'll say, no, we'll pay $3 for this.
Yeah, for the
Put it
seats.
on a seat.
Yeah.
And then if it's $5 for each of us, then we'll pay $5. This is how you have to do it. You have to negotiate.
I have a feeling that's probably how we're going to end up doing this. Because the traveling fare is so different. It's like $5 or $50.
Yes.
So to
To
use
the
a taxi,
border.
yeah, to
It's
use a taxi,
mad.
to use an Uber is $50. To use a local bus is $5.
Yeah, it's mad. And the cool thing is, here they use Uber. And they use another application, and they have Moto Uber too. And I'm really dying to want to go on a Moto Uber. I actually want to put Kingsley on one too.
You can't put me on anything.
Put you on one of these Moto Uber.
No. Why put me on? No, you convinced me to go on it, but I'm not going on it. Never.
Never going on a Moto Uber.
No.
That's the only way to get around in Thailand.
That's not the only way to get around in Thailand.
If you want to get to A to B in a fast way, instead of sitting in traffic for 40 minutes, you take a Moto Uber. Okay, here we're gonna turn left. Yeah, so the cool thing is that they have the Uber here. My Uber app works.
The Uber.
Yes.
The Uber.
Oh, all right. So this road here leads down to the train station, the bus station.
Yeah. So it's about 20 hours walk from our hotel, right? Because it feels like we've been walking forever.
It's only because it's hot. Come here, babe. More. It's actually okay to go here.
You okay?
See?
Alright.
It's only because it's hot that you're complaining now.
Complain? I never complain. Never, ever have I ever complained in our entire relationship. What?
I didn't say anything. Hola. Huh?
Oh, print shop.
What do you want to print?
I don't know. We could make our business cards a little bit. Let me show
This
you.
one.
Huh? A t-shirt.
A t-shirt. Oh, yes. Yum, yum, yum.
Hola.
Who is selling this?
¿Quién?
¿Quién está vendiendo? Está ocupada.
Ajá.
She's in there. That's okay. We'll come back later. So Kingsley went up the ramp, but then he has to turn and come back out again. Okay. Is it a billion you want to take out? Kingsley's gonna sell his body to get some money. Sing. That's the church. So can I bring you with me? Do you want a bed?
Perfecto. ¿Para mí?
¿A dónde te la llevo?
Verdad.
Gracias.
It's like, where should I deliver it? So there's some more dresses up there. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff going on. A lady stopped us to talk with us in English. She had a really good English too, and she wanted to know how we felt about visiting the country. And so far we said we're loving it. People are so friendly. She said, good, I'm gonna call the president and tell him that.
Wouldn't it be funny if she actually knew the president?
She did look like someone who would know a lot of important people.
Yeah.
The pepper stuffed with cheese. Hola. Ooh, qué rico. Yep, I know what I want. Okay. Sí, sí.
¿Con pollo?
Look at that. Pollo. What do you want?
Some stew?
Es carne con huevo.
Carne con huevo. Carne, meat with egg.
Oh.
Sí,
Okay. So un poco.
sí.
So un poco.
You want black beans?
Yeah. We'll share, right? You wanna share with me?
I want my own plate.
Yeah, so
Sí. ¿Y frijoles?
¿Frijoles de aquello o de?
Which one do you want? Do you have that one or that one?
Ese. Pero so un poco. Gracias.
Sí. That's your plate?
Yeah.
Okay, vamos sentar. ¿Quer sentar onde?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dos tortillas.
Gracias.
Igual.
No, para mí no igual. Gracias. Here you go. Happy?
Yeah,
Look at that.
yours, yeah.
Yes. I'll
This is what Dee has done for, and that is more.
It's hot. I forgot about how nice it is when hot with hot food.
But this is so delicious though. And also the rice is incredible, so I might actually go for a little bit more.
That is the cathedral, babe. So today they also have this parade. It's not a parade. It's like a, what would you call it, babe? The same thing they did yesterday. It's gonna happen today, and they've closed already the streets here. Mom, buy me one of these so we can cross the border with.
Oh, this?
Yes, look, black tuk-tuk.
Oh, yeah.
2,699 for a four-wheeler. We wouldn't get that very far.
That's not bad at all, is it?
She wants you to go. That's perfect. Let's cross over and up, babe.
Like that?
Yes. Hola.
Hola.
Ele é daqui, ó.
Ele o quê?
Ele é daqui.
Não, ele é africano. Sim, da África. Sabe onde é a África? Então, tá visitando.
What was the first question earlier?
He's not from here.
Ele não é daqui.
So this is... We haven't been to the square yet.
You're not from here. So you look like you belong here.
Yes, apparently so, right? Apparently so. Well, I mean, I am tall as everyone here. Not like in Guatemala where I was like a giant compared to everyone. Here is another place where you can get lots of clothes. Your size. Behind. Boom. This is how it looks like.
We just see at the end.
Yeah,
Miguel.
Miguel. This is where we got dropped off.
Yeah.
And then this is the terminal San Miguel. And there is an upstairs as well where you can eat. And it's very bustling, isn't it?
Yeah. There we go.
San Miguel.
Terminal de San Miguel.
This is how it looks like. There's some buses here, but majority of the buses are from here. And if you want to get to the La Frontera, which is the border, you gotta take the Santa Rosa 330. This is where San Miguel goes to, and San Salvador. And then this one. That one goes to San Salvador. And you can see there's tons and tons of information. All right.
Vámonos.
¿Tienes que era cuarto?
Sí, está
¿Cuánto está?
Esa vale 12 dólares. 12 dólares. Esta vale $1.
$1 y ese?
12 dólares.
Un dos.
1, 2.
Sí, gracias.
Find out more.
Yes.
So we've been here. They've basically told us it's possible, and we know that we can
To get
put a
Kingsley's wheelchair in the back.
That's fine. Yeah.
The only thing that they were worried about is actually because Kingsley's on a wheelchair, that how is he gonna get up on his own? So I think it's very easy, and they will understand much easier when we have you on standing on the crutches. They can actually see that you can walk.
But that's not. I was kind of hoping that they had a way for people who are not who don't use crutches, just wheelchair, to be able to just go in. But I don't think.
How would that work, babe? Oh, well, you can do like you have to sit on the ground and then move yourself up the steps.
I'm just saying in general.
No,
have
but
a ramp,
yeah.
have an access, have a way to get people on.
Well,
but it's not possible on those buses.
on these buses, no. But then again, hardly any buses, like in the places we've been to, have also not been able to provide that. Like Mexico, they had the storage underneath, but you still have to walk yourself up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so far we haven't seen anything like in Japan where there's a lift coming out and they'll take you into the middle.
Yeah. All right. So tomorrow we are coming back in the morning, and then we'll make our way.
It's 1 hour
Yeah, so 1 hour trip.
and it's $3 for us. So what he said was once we get to Santa Rosa, we have to wait half an hour for the other bus to come. That'll take us to the border. And then from the border, that's where we need to figure out which bus to take and how it works.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow,
Yeah.
but we're mentally prepared.
Yeah. Or it might just be a very straightforward thing. If we get to the other border, might get on the bus. If we can get to this bus, and we might need to buy an extra seat that the wheelchair is going to be on. Then when we get over there, then that'll be the same thing. So it's an hour to get there. So our objective basically is to get into Honduras. That's our objective now.
Yes.
So it's not to cross over to get to.
No.
It's
To
Honduras.
Nicaragua. Yeah, we're crossing over to Honduras to stay for at least a night, but we have to stay for more than just a night due to the fact that we have work to do Wednesday, Thursday, very important work to do. So that means that on Friday morning we head over to Nicaragua, because I think from all the information I've heard, doesn't matter which way, it is quite a long wait at both crossing over the border.
Yes.
And there's paperwork that you need to fill out online and take with you, and along with
Nicaragua especially.
and also you have to have a photocopy of your passport,
Yes.
depending on which border you go into.
And luckily, I found a copier place. You asked me, what do you want to print?
Yeah, I know, right?
We need to go back there and print
Our passport.
passports. Yeah.
So we'll see. We'll see if.
But I've also heard I've seen people read online that says none of that stuff they didn't ask
Yes.
for any of that
Yes.
stuff when they got there. So it could just be. Yeah, because I can imagine people crossing over from here there wouldn't have to do all that stuff. Maybe they have a different rule for foreigners, like foreigner, not a Central American.
Yes.
All right, I am getting a package,
I am so hungry.
so we're gonna go and get some to eat.
Yes.
But I love this place. I love the people.
Oh, they're so nice.
Everybody's really friendly.
And they're talking, like they come up to you, and even like when we're trying to get information, if someone doesn't understand, there's always someone right there to like, oh, and even if they don't speak English, they really do their best to help us. It's really good.
A lot of sensory input, so much going on around you
Oh yeah,
at all times.
all the time. There are taxis, there are buses. That bus comes from San Salvador already.
And this is a station, so lots of people are constantly coming in and leaving.
Yeah.
All right, let's
If
head
someone
out.
goes in with that white bag on a bus, definitely Kingsley's wheelchair can fit on a bus.
Yes.
That's how I see it. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for who has the biggest luggage, and just to see.
Yes.
But yeah, if tomorrow we have to pay for one seat because of his wheelchair, we'll do that. It's fine.
It's $3 for goodness sake. It's so cheap.
It's
incredible.
yeah. You have to be flexible when traveling, and sometimes you just have to make it work.
Yeah. But tomorrow travel will be the trickiest one we've ever done with a wheelchair.
Yes.
So this will be a big tester. So using a coach, we have coaches back home. It's easy. You put your stuff under the compartment. But this is a different type of bus. So we're
This is
gonna
what they call the chicken bus.
chicken bus. Yeah.
Kingsley's finally going on a chicken bus
I've tried to avoid this,
for 1 hour.
Yeah,
Come on,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
1 hour.
but an Uber is $50, and this is a $3. So that convinced me. So I was like, okay, this is a good savings. Let's do this.
Let's do it.